There was once a young man named Michael who lived in a small town just outside Chicago. Michael was 27, smart and ambitious, but his mind was always racing. From the moment he woke up, his thoughts jumped from one worry to another: work deadlines, bills, memories of past mistakes, and fears about the future. No matter how hard he tried, he couldn't find peace. He felt tired, anxious, and disconnected from the world around him. One evening, after another restless day, Michael sat alone in his apartment, staring at the ceiling. He thought, "Why can't I just relax? Why is my mind always so full?" He tried meditation apps, long walks, even talking to friends, but nothing seemed to help. The next morning, Michael's grandmother called. She could sense something was wrong. "Michael, you sound troubled," she said gently. "Why don't you come visit me this weekend?" Sometimes a change of scenery helps clear the mind, Michael agreed. That Saturday, he drove out to his grandmother's cozy house in the countryside. The air was fresh, the sky wide and blue. As soon as he arrived, his grandmother greeted him with a warm hug and a cup of tea. They sat together on the porch, watching the sun set behind the trees. After a while, his grandmother said, "Michael, I want to show you something." She led him to the kitchen, filled a glass to the very top with water, and handed it to him. "Walk around the garden with this glass," she said, "but don't spill a single drop." Michael looked at her, puzzled, but did as she asked. He walked slowly, eyes glued to the glass, careful with every step. He didn't notice the flowers blooming, the birds singing, or the gentle breeze. All he could think about was not spilling the water. When he returned, his grandmother smiled. "Did you see the roses by the fence? Or hear the robins singing?" Michael shook his head. "No, I was too focused on the glass." She nodded. "That's how your mind has been, so full of worries and thoughts that you miss the beauty around you. Sometimes, Michael, you have to empty your mind to truly see and feel life." Michael sat quietly, letting her words sink in. He realized that his mind was like that glass, so full there was no room for anything else. He had been carrying his worries everywhere, never allowing himself to just be present. That night, Michael lay in bed, thinking about what his grandmother had shown him. He decided to try something new. The next morning, instead of reaching for his phone or making a mental list of things to do, he simply sat on the porch, breathing in the fresh air. He listened to the birds, felt the sun on his face, and let his thoughts drift away. For the first time in a long while, Michael felt a sense of peace. He realized that he didn't have to solve every problem at once. He could let go, even if just for a moment, and allow his mind to rest. Over the next few weeks, Michael practiced emptying his mind a little each day. He found that when he let go of his constant thoughts, he could enjoy life more fully, laughing with friends, focusing at work, and even sleeping better at night. He still had worries, of course, but now he knew how to set them down, even for a little while, and just be present. Sometimes our minds become so crowded with worries and thoughts that we forget to live in the moment. By learning to empty our minds, even for a few minutes each day, we can find peace, clarity, and a deeper connection to the world around us.